हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल दी सेलिंग बेस्ट। चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए, साथ ही में नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आने वाले सभी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएंगे। एंड मुझे भी एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है आपके लिए नए नए इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस अपलोड करने के लिए। सो इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे DGIGFA and IGFB, that is basic and advanced training for ships using fuel, covered within IGF code, combined exit examination question and answer, set number 4. So question 1, the objective of first aid is, तो answer है C, to give immediate treatment. Question number 2, what causes hypervolemic shock? So correct answer is C, external blood loss. Question number 3, the dash depends upon the pressure of contact exerted on live wires. So correct answer is C, impedance. Question number 4, why is the maximum surface temperature is identified for electrical equipment used in hazardous areas used on board LNG carrier? So correct answer है C, equipment should operate within these limits to prevent formation of hot surfaces. Question number 5, what does the sound of an alarm signify to watchkeepers? The correct answer is D, pre-warning of abnormality. Question number 6, if the concentration of fuel is greater than 15%, the LNG vapors can not burn because of inadequate. Answer is B, oxygen. Question number 7, find incorrect statement with respect to bimetallic fire detectors. Correct answer is D, if the rate of rise of temperature is not high enough to close the gap in the alarm. I will repeat again. If the rate of rise of temperature is not high enough to close the gap, an alarm is triggered. Question number 8, dash is defined as the temperature of substance that is required to heat the vapor in air to ignite simultaneously. So correct answer is C, auto ignition temperature. Question number 9, the system should have capacity to cover the indicated area with at least dash on horizontal surface and dash on vertical surface. So यहाँ पे कवरेज एरिया पूछा गया है एंड आंसर इज 10 लीटर पर मीटर स्क्वायर पर मिनट एंड 4 लीटर per meter square per minute. So 10 liter is for horizontal surface and 4 liter per meter square per minute is for vertical surface. Question number 10, identify the correct statement with respect to smoke detectors. So correct answer is C, photoelectric type smoke detectors are in the detecting panel of CO2 flooding system. Question number 11, dash of liquid is defined as the lowest temperature that is required by the liquid that can produce sufficient vapor to form a flammable mixture in air. So correct answer is B, flash point. Question number 12, what is the minimum required CO2 gas to be released to fight engine room fire? So correct answer is D, 85% of CO2 to be discharged within 2 minutes. Question number 13, identify false statement with respect to various types of radiant energy given by fire. So correct answer is D, ultrasonic radiation. Question number 14, gas ship surveys under IGC code shall not include. Correct answer is D, no changes to anything which falls within the additional survey is permitted without the agreement of port state. Question number 15, from the options given below, when computing liquid volume from the ship's calibration tables, what correction are necessary to be applied to obtain corrected liquid volume? So correct answer is B, to the liquid level reading apply correction to trim, list, level gauge and float immersion to arrive at corrected liquid depth. From calibration table, we then extract the uncorrected liquid volume which needs to be multiplied by tank shrinkage factor to arrive at corrected liquid volume. Question number 16, in DFD two-stroke engine, what is the principle of specific gas mode control system? Select the correct statement. So correct answer is D, specific gas mode is used when a limited but constant amount of gas is available and The amount of gas available can be entered onto the GI control panel, and the opening time for gas valve is calculated on the basis of value for amount of gas is entered. All fuel control is done by adjusting the amount of fuel oil injected. Question number 17. In the gas mode, abnormal combustion may occur due to rapid rise in pressure called knocking. Due to the air-fuel ratio, a combustion knocking sensor is fitted to the top of the cylinder cover to detect the high frequency vibration that occur during knocking in the engine. So correct answer is true. Question number 18. Since the gas is not self-igniting under all the load, fuel oil is used to ignite, or fuel oil is used for ignition, and this kind of ignition method is considered a basic requirement for ensuring stable combustion of fuel gas. So correct answer is A, true. Question number 19. Which of the following statement on 4-stroke DFDE gensets is true? So correct answer is A. They have much higher thermal efficiency compared to 2-stroke slow-speed diesel engine. Question number 20. The process of changing mixture in tank is called. So correct answer is A, weathering. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and आई होप ये क्वेश्चन सेट्स आपको हेल्पफुल रहेंगे एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन। एंड वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि बाकी लोगों को भी हेल्प हो जाए।